Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix file not deleted error. Open, run and type here percentage temp percentage hit enter. Now I am delete temporary files. Okay. Now you see this skip error. Now I am going to show this how to fix this error. Okay. Many times everyone skip this and wait, but I am going to show you how to fix this skip error. Okay. Now close this, open browser or Microsoft Store, download Microsoft Power Toys. Okay, file is downloaded. Click on setup files and already install this Microsoft Power Toy in my PC. Okay, now check shift delete this file. Okay, error shown. Now fix this error. Right click on this file. Click on unlock with file locksmith. Okay, now and task this file. Okay, now after this delete this file. Okay, file is deleted. Okay, now one another file, do same thing, right click, unlock the file locksmith. Okay, and task, now delete this file. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.